What brings you to the battery show today?
I was very eager to understand a little bit where the car industry go in the 48-volt segment, because we believe that it could be a good opportunity on the truck segment to steal part from them and having cheap solution for us as well.
Okay, and I understand you've been speaking here today. Can you tell us a little bit about what you were speaking about?
Yeah, I was speaking about today in trucks we have one issue is in US the truck are 12 volt, in Europe they are 24 volt, and some people foresee the 48 volt to be the merge of the two worlds. And I was here to explain that it will not happen in this way.
What are the key differences in battery requirements for heavy-duty vehicles?
On the battery requirements, I'm not so fond of, I was more on the electrical segment. On the battery requirements, I mean, if you speak about hybrid the battery, we don't make hybrid for trucks. We make hybrid for buses, but not for trucks. The main difference is the energy storage. We need a ton amount of energy compared to car. So we are far more bigger, we have far more power need, we have far more longer missions. So the challenge on the battery is far more severe if you want to try to make electrical trucks compared to an electrical car.
Where do you see the greatest need for battery innovation?
Once again, I was more on the electrical and hybrid show, so I'm not so specialist in battery. I think the battery, for sure, everybody wants to have a cheapest battery as possible, but and we need as well to have the safest battery. We put battery on buses, so we can have 60 person inside. If something bad happens, it can be very bad, and that is for me a very big challenge on this kind of technology. So the safety first.
So who have you come to meet at the show? Have you met some interesting people here?
Yes, I've seen some interesting people. The boot event was interesting. I've met some guys that find innovative solutions. I mean, some make some contact. Some people have very innovative. Some people have very strong solutions. Some very innovative. That was very mind spirit. Some others are very practical, day-to-day usage. So we take contact card. We will reiterate some work later on. So the boot event was very interesting, and as well the informal discussion as well was very interesting when we make some connection, and connection is always good. That can help us later on.
Why do you think a show like this is so important for the industry?
The industry, at least in Europe, is a catch-22. I mean, everybody wants to be first, but not alone. And so the way of this, I see this kind of event is a way to, you take a roadmap and you say, future is maybe there. And you go in this show to get confirmation, yes, that's the right direction. Everybody go in the right direction, I am on the right wave, I'm in the front of the wave, but be alone is not good. Be in the front, that is good. And this kind of show is where the purpose of this show is to show where you are compared to the other, and if you are on the right track but ahead. That is the purpose of this show.